Welcome to our tutorial on ANSYS simulation, specifically focusing on geometry importing and preparation. Before you can run a simulation, you must ensure your geometry is prepared and optimized. We will walk through the entire workflow, from importing your file to final validation. High-quality simulation results depend entirely on clean, well-defined geometric models. Geometry preparation stage, 40% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 34% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 33% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 32% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 31% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 30% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 29% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 28% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 27% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 26% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 25% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 24% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 23% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 22% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 21% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 20% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 19% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 18% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 17% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 16% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 15% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 14% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 13% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 12% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 11% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 10% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 9% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 8% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 7% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 6% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 5% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 4% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 3% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 2% complete. Geometry preparation stage, 1% complete. ANSYS supports a wide variety of CAD formats, ensuring seamless integration of your design data. Establishing good file naming conventions and folder structures early on will save significant time during project iterations. Let's explore the core tools in ANSYS Discovery and SpaceClaim to get you started. Mastering the workspace interface is essential for efficient model manipulation and selection. Learn how to use intuitive selection and navigation tools to inspect your geometry accurately. Simplification helps reduce computational cost without sacrificing simulation accuracy. Removing unnecessary small features significantly improves mesh quality and simulation performance. Suppress components that are not critical to the physical phenomenon you are simulating. Simplify complex assembly connections to ensure robust mesh generation between mating surfaces. Always conduct a thorough geometry check to identify and resolve potential modeling issues. Overlapping faces can cause meshing failures. Identify them early to avoid simulation errors. Locate and close gaps to maintain model integrity and ensure fluid volume closure. Leverage built-in automated repair tools to quickly fix common geometry defects. Proper preparation is the final step before successfully generating a mesh. Clearly define your fluid domains and enclosures to ensure the solver interprets the geometry correctly. Use imprinting and Boolean operations to merge parts into a single cohesive simulation volume. You're now ready to import and prepare your own geometry for ANSYS simulations. To summarize, import, clean, repair, and define your volumes carefully to achieve great results. If you encounter errors, focus on inspecting surface continuity and simplifying complex topologies.